Hello, my name is Andrew, and today I am going to talk about education. Right now, the time is 7 in the evening, or 7 p.m. Today is Tuesday, and the weather is cloudy. Outside it is cloudy. Education and education in the UK. I am from the UK. Yeah. In the UK, there are 4 stages. First stage. First stage is preschool. This is preschool. Pre means before. Start before. Children go to preschool when they are about 2. Preschool or nursery. They go to nursery between 2 and 4 years of age, when they are very, very small. Yes, this is nursery or preschool. Nursery, preschool, they are the same. After, when they are bigger, they go to primary school. Primary school. Primary. I will write primary. Primary means first. 1. First school. Primary school. Preschool. Primary school. Children a little bit bigger go to primary school when they are either 4 or 5. 4 or 5. From 4 to about 11. 7 years. 7 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Primary school lasts 7 years. Yes. At primary school, children learn to count. Count. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Or 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Count. And they learn to read. Yes. And write, of course, write. Well, preschool lasts about 2 years. Primary school lasts 7 years. After primary school, children go to secondary school. Well, not children, teenagers. Teenagers are children who are 13 to 19. Teenagers. High school. High school. High school or secondary. Secondary means 2, second. And secondary lasts 6 years. 6 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At high school or secondary school, teenagers learn more difficult. What does difficult mean? Look, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. This is easy. 2 multiplied by 7 divided by 3 all squared is more difficult. Difficult. So they learn more difficult things like geography, or English, reading harder books, or history, what happened. So right now is 21st century, history is before, is what happened back in time. Secondary school or high school in the UK is 6 years. But if you want, you can leave after 4 years, or after 5. After secondary school, some so people, some means him, her, him, some, go to university. University after school. And most people at university are 17 to 29 maybe years of age. And of course, university is much harder. You need to be smart. Like him, smart. And the UK is very famous for universities. There are universities everywhere. Here, everywhere. There are universities everywhere, and really good universities, and really old, young, older, young, old, lots of old universities, and lots of people from around the world come here. Lots of people come to the UK to study, because our universities are really good, yes. So that is education in the UK. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.